Hello, everyone, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm really happy you're here today. If you're listening right now, maybe you want to speak English better, but something stops you. Your mind feels blank, or you think too much. Does that sound familiar?
Oh, yes, that feeling. You know the words, but when it's time to speak, your mouth says, nope. Hi, everyone. I'm Alex, and don't worry, you are not alone.
Exactly. Today's episode is very special and very simple. We're going to talk about your day. Not a big topic, not difficult English, just your day. What you did, how you felt. Simple, real English.
I like this topic because everyone has a day, right? Even if nothing special happened, you still have something to say.
That's right. And listen carefully. When you talk about your day, you naturally use past tense. But don't worry, we won't teach grammar rules. We'll just use English.
Yes, no heavy grammar, no pressure, just talking like real people.
Let me ask you something. When someone asks you, "How was your day?" what happens in your head?
Panic? Your brain says, what should I say? Was my day good, normal, boring?
Exactly. Many learners think their day is too boring to talk about, but that's not true.
Yeah, you don't need an exciting life to speak English. You just need simple sentences.
Let's start very gently. I'll ask Alex a very easy question. Alex, how was your day today?
Oh, it was okay. Not amazing, not bad. I woke up a little late, drank coffee, and checked my phone. Honestly, a very normal day.
See? That was perfect. She didn't use big words. She didn't speak fast. She just spoke naturally.
And I didn't plan it. I just said what happened.
Now, listener, this is your turn. Pause the audio if you want, or just think, how was your day?
Hmm. Take a breath. It's okay. You can speak slowly.
Let's build your answer step by step. First, start with one sentence. You can say, my day was good, or my day was busy, or my day was normal.
Yes, and normal is a great word. People use it all the time.
Now, let's add one small detail, just one. For example, my day was busy. I worked all day.
Or, my day was good. I met a friend.
Or, my day was normal. I stayed at home. Oh, let me try again, a little longer.
My day was normal, but I felt tired. I worked in the morning, and in the evening I watched TV.
Perfect. Simple, clear, real English. Now let's talk about a common fear. Many learners think, what if I make a mistake?
Can I be honest? Nobody cares. People care about your message, not your grammar.
Exactly. If you say, I work yesterday, people still understand you.
Yes, and the more you speak, the better you become.
Let's practice with real-life situations. Situation 1. You are at work or school. A colleague asks you, how was your day?
Okay. I'll answer, it was a bit busy. I had many tasks, and I finished work late.
Nice. Notice words like was, had, finished. Past tense, but natural. Situation 2. You are in a café. You meet a friend.
Oh, I like this one. My day was good. I went shopping. Then I came here to relax.
Very natural. Very friendly. Situation 3. You're on a phone call.
Phone calls are scary.
Yes, but listen. Hi, my day was fine. I was busy in the afternoon, so I couldn't call earlier.
Oh, that sounds professional, but still easy.
Now let's slow down and do a speaking exercise.
Yes, listener, please speak out loud, even if you're alone.
Repeat after me, slowly. My day was good.
Again.
My day was good.
Nice. Now add one thing.
My day was good. I felt happy.
One more time. Relax your shoulders.
Now try this. My day was busy, but I learned something new.
Oh, I like that sentence. It sounds positive.
Let's talk about feelings. Feelings make your English sound real.
Yes, not just actions, feelings.
You can say, I felt tired. I felt happy. I felt stressed. I felt relaxed.
Let me make a sentence. I felt tired in the morning, but I felt relaxed at night.
Perfect contrast. Now, a short story. Yesterday, my day was very simple. I woke up early, made tea, and checked my messages. I worked for a few hours, then I took a short walk. In the evening, I felt calm.
That sounds peaceful and also very normal.
Exactly. Normal English is powerful.
Listener, let me ask you something. What did you do in the morning today?
Good question.
Did you wake up early? Did you check your phone? Did you eat breakfast?
Now, afternoon. Did you work, study, travel?
And evening, did you rest, watch something, talk to someone?
If you can answer these 3 times, morning, afternoon, evening, you can talk about your whole day.
Wow, that makes it so easy.
Let's learn some easy daily vocabulary. Listen and repeat later. Busy. My day was busy. Normal. It was a normal day. Tired. I felt tired. Relaxed. I felt relaxed at night. Worked. I worked all day. Met. I met a friend. Finished. I finished my work. Stayed. I stayed at home. Went. I went shopping. Enjoyed. I enjoyed my evening.
These words are so useful. You can use them every day.
Now let's use them together.
Okay. My day was busy, but I enjoyed it. I worked a lot, then I stayed at home and relaxed.
Excellent. Before we end, I want to tell you something important. Speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave.
Yes, every sentence you speak is a small win.
Even if your sentence is simple, even if you make mistakes, you are improving.
Listener, promise us one thing. Today or tomorrow, talk about your day to a friend, to yourself, or even to a mirror.
Yes, just 2-3 minutes. All right, it's time to say goodbye.
Aw, already?
Yes, but we'll be back. If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share 24/7 Talk English.
And comment below. How was your day? Even one sentence is enough.
Keep speaking. Keep smiling. English is your friend.
See you next time. Bye-bye.